bought the pound for pound best hyperhatch money can buy on the market today. But there's one problem with this car. It's missing the front end. It's a Copart car, auction car. This is not how the car come. I did get ahead of myself, but damaged parts are there in the corner, as you can see. I'll throw up some clips now of those on the car so you guys can try and guess what you think has happened with this car. All the new panels, bumpers, everything's here, the rad pack's there. We're going to build the rad pack up. Hopefully that'll be on later. Next time you see this, it'll be a couple hours for us. For you, it'll be a few seconds. Next time you see this, we'll be running. On the ground, running, driving around. And then we'll throw the bumper on, and you'll see her on the road. Right, so the car's back together now. Obviously not the bumper and all that sort of stuff. We're going to run it up to temp. Hopefully everything's alright. Everything kicked in. There's no warning lights. There's an engine light and obviously we want the dip beams and all that because there's no headlights. But apart from that there's no warning lights, which is good. So we just need to run it up to temp, and once it's up to temp we'll build it all back together and then we'll go for the first test drive.
It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it's sick. It's top spec as well. So you've got the HK speakers. You've got the panoramic roof. You've got your reef. You've got your sport. So you've got your sport plus here. All that. So your adaptive suspension. You've got your exhaust, all that sort of stuff up there, valves and all that. What else is there? You've got your electric seats. See? And obviously, one of the best things about the A45 is obviously your wingback bucket seats.
Go on, give it a rev, lad. Do it one more time. I know, but minor. It'll be alright.
A45. Finally back. Second one. You didn't see the first one. This is going to be better than the last one. It's newer, less miles, better spec. Can't explain, can we? Hopefully, once it runs up to temp, like I say, build it all back together, headlights all out, and we'll go on the road. So you'll next see us now on the road.
We've got a temperature warning light, unfortunately. Temperature warning light, unfortunately, bro.
Yeah, so the fan's obviously not working. So we don't have a fan because I thought the fan was working, so you're gonna have to order a new fan.
Let's have a look at the fan then. Oh. And you might be able to see where it's broken, maybe.
Yeah.
Like just
I thought we could get away with it though, but obviously not.
Yeah, so, you might just be able to see there where the motor's a bit broken as well.
So new fan.
How's the car run apart from that?
You can hear it. Listen to it. It sounds good. It sounds really good. You haven't read it before, so it sounds really good, doesn't it?
Yeah, it sounds sick.
It sounds healthy. The only thing is that
it actually runs fresh.
Yeah, it runs really nice.
It does.
The only thing is that belt, the squeal on the belt. I think that's because it's been sat for a couple of weeks, not run properly. But anyway, all the lights are off, apart from that engine light.
Have they come off? Has the overheating one come off?
Yeah.
But the fan's still not on, which is strange.
But like that fan should come on. The engine light shouldn't start. The fan should just kick in. Shouldn't it?
Yeah.
You shouldn't let it overheat.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Oh, that's over. Not on the road. Putting us back another couple of weeks. This part's going to come from Germany. So.
Where in Germany?
Puffelaffe.
Nah. How far is it to drive there?
Probably take me about an hour.
About an hour, yeah.
Yeah.